Hello dear student, I hope all of you fine at home and enjoying your study. So today I will discuss chapter number 4 again here problem solving from second onwards. So now all of you open your textbook on page number 28 and read the question number second. India exported food grains worth rupees 98 crore 65 lakh 79,837 machines worth rupees 37 crore 96 lakh 83 73 37 crore 96 lakh 83,795 rupees. Steel worth 25 crore 84 lakh 37,600 462 rupees, and cement worth rupees 25 crore 47 lakh 28,946. Find the value of total export of the country. So you can write the statement like that: India exported food grains worth rupees this much, and second line machine worth rupees this much, third line steel worth rupees this much, and last line fourth line the cement worth rupees this much, and at last you should write the total exported of the country. Then you have to arrange and add. I am going to write the statement shortly. I will write the statement only one line. The total export of the country, or the value of the total export of the country. We have to arrange all the amount in a vertical column, and after that we have to add. So now come on question number second. The value, the total export of the country, the value of total export of the country. So page number 28, second, here it is solve and second only. So I will write the statement shortly. The value of total export of the country. Hence the value of total export of the country. Hence the value of hence the value of hence the value written value hence the value of total hence the value of total export of the country. Total export of the total export of the country. Total export of the country. Total export of the country. So we have to arrange. First amount is given 98 crore 65 lakh 79,837. This was the exported food grains worth rupees this much. This is written in rupees. And second, machines worth rupees 37 crore 96 lakh 795. Steel worth rupees 25 crore 84 lakh 462, and cement 25 crore 47 lakh 28,000, 900, 960, 946. So just you have to add. This is ones column, tens column, 100, and so on. You know already. If you will add, then your answer will be, see here, 7 and 5, 12. 7 and 5, 12. 12 and 2, 12 and 2, 14. 14 and 6, 20. So 0 will be there and 2 will be carry. So 3 and 2, 5. 9 and 5, 14. 14 and 6, 20. 20 and 4, 24. 2 will be carry. 8 to 10, 17. 17 and 4, 21. 21 and 9, 30. 0. And then here 3 will be carry. So 9 and 3, 12. 12 and 3, 15. 15 and 7. 15 and 7. 15. 15 and 7. 22. 22 and 8, 30. 0. Again 3 will be carry. So 7 and 3, 10. 18. 18 and 2, 20. 20 and 3, 23. And 2 will be carry. So you will add this column. 5 and 2, 7. 7 and 6, 13. 13. 13 and 7. 13 and 7, 20. And 4, 24. 2 will be carry again. 6 and 2, 8. 8 and 16. 16 and 4. 16 and 4. 16 and 4, 20. And 9, 29. Again 2 will be carry. Again 2 will be carry. 8 to 10. 8 and 2, 10. 10 and 7, 17. 17 and 10. 17 and 10, 27. 27, 2 again carry. 2 will be add this column. 9 to 11. 11 and 3, 14. 14 and 4, 18. So answer you can write 187 crore rupees. 187 crore rupees, 94 lakh 30,000 and 40. So this will be answer. Answer can be written in international system or Indian system. So I hope all have understood how to do this question. And now come on question number 3rd. Write down the smallest number of 9 digits and the greatest number of 6 digits and find their sum. So I hope you know what is the, I hope you know how to write the largest and smallest numbers of the digits given. So now come on 3rd one. Yes, dear student, now come on 3rd one. Here question, let us read the question once again. Write down the smallest number of 9 digits and the greatest number of 6 digits and find their sum. So first we have to write the smallest number of 9 digits. 3rd one. Now come on 3rd. The smallest the smallest number of the smallest number of the smallest number of 9 digits. You know how to write the smallest number of 9 digits? After 1, 8 zeros. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is smallest number of 9 digits. This can be written like this. That is 10 crore. And the greatest number of 6 digits. The greatest number of 6 digits of 6 digits of 6 digits. 6 times 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 9,99,999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9,99,999. Here asking find their sum. The sum of this 10 crore and 9,99,999. So hence their sum, you can write sum. You have to arrange and add. That is 10 crore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this 99,000 and 9 lakh. You have to add very simple. Just this will be 9, 9 and 9. And then this 9, 9, 99,000 and 9 lakh 0 and then 10 crore. That is your answer will be 10 crore 9 lakh 99,999. So this is the answer. Okay dear student. So I hope you know how to solve the problem, and here question number 4 and 5 I will give as a practice question. You should complete your copy. So children, now today in this video only this much. I will meet you the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.